Stop falling for the high-tech buzzwords that dominate your social media feed. Every time you see a celebrity pressing a plastic patch under their eyes, they call it a revolution. They point to the tiny spikes. They call them microneedles. It sounds like a professional clinic treatment in your own bathroom. But we need to peel back the marketing. Let's look at the actual science of what is happening on your face. These Nuvaskin patches are not using real needles. There is no metal involved. There is no actual puncturing of the dermis. These are simply tiny, dried-out cones of skincare ingredients. They are designed to dissolve as they sit against your skin. You press them on. You feel that sharp little tingle. That prickle is exactly what the brand wants you to feel. It creates the illusion of intensity. It makes you believe that something deep is happening. In reality, you are just pushing standard ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin into the very top layer of your skin. These are great ingredients. They are the workhorses of the beauty world. They grab onto water and hold it tight. This creates a temporary plumping effect. Your fine lines might look smoother for a few hours. Your skin might feel tighter and more hydrated. But that is the limit of the power here. This is a cosmetic mask. It is not a medical procedure. If you have dark circles because of your bone structure or your genetics, these patches will do nothing to change that. If you are sleep deprived, the caffeine in the patch might help with some slight puffiness, but it will not fix the underlying fatigue. You are essentially paying a massive premium for a very fancy delivery system. You could get nearly the same result from a high-quality eye serum. You just need a bit of consistency. The problem is that these patches are marketed as a long-term solution. They are sold as a way to fix your skin for good, but the results are purely temporary. Once the moisture from the patch evaporates, your skin returns to its natural state. There is no cumulative benefit. Using them every day will not rebuild your collagen. It will not reverse the clock. You are trapped in a cycle of spending a lot of money for a few hours of looking refreshed. Many people find the application process frustrating too. You have to apply significant pressure to get those micro tips to engage. If you are too light with your touch, the patch is just a very expensive piece of tape. If you have sensitive skin, that pressure can lead to redness. Those tiny tips might cause irritation. You might end up looking worse than when you started. It is a short-term boost at a long-term price point. It is not a scam because it does provide hydration. It does make you look better for a morning meeting. But it is not the miracle it claims to be. We have to be smarter than the advertisements. We have to recognize when a product is just a clever bit of packaging around very basic chemistry. Save your money for treatments that actually reach the deeper layers of the skin. If you want a quick pick-me-up before a party, these are fine. Just do not expect them to change your face in the long run. They're just a temporary fix in a very expensive wrapper. You are paying for the experience, not a cure. Focus on real skin health instead of the latest prickly trend. If you want results that last, you have to look deeper than a sticker.